In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the download location in Mozilla Firefox step by step so you can choose exactly where your files are saved every time you download them. This is really useful if you want to keep your downloads organized, save files to a specific folder, or make them easier to find later. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the menu button, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. Click that menu button to open the main Firefox menu. From the menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the Firefox settings page, where you can change browser preferences and control how downloads work. On the settings page, find the Download section. This is where Firefox lets you manage where downloaded files are stored. Go ahead and click on Downloads to open those options. Now you should see the current download location settings. To change it, click on Browse. A folder window will appear, allowing you to choose a new location on your computer. Navigate to the folder where you want Firefox to save your downloads. You can select an existing folder or create a new one if you want your downloads to stay more organized. Once you've chosen the folder you want, click Select Folder, and that's it. Firefox will now save your downloads to the new location you selected. The next time you download a file, it will go straight to that folder instead of the old one. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.